How you doing? My name is Mike London. I work for Rockaway. I'm in the construction division, and just giving a little summary of this job. Originally, it was a concrete patio slab with nothing but runoff that went into the yard. So what we did is we did the framing, all 4x4 footers throughout the framing, buried in concrete, every 4 feet to make it extremely strong, with 2x6 joists and rim joists going down the entire length of the deck. And the customer decided to use Trex composite decking because it lasts forever. There's no maintenance on it, and it's just a really solid product, especially if you're near water. On the top of the deck, we did hidden fastening system by Camo, so you actually don't see any screws whatsoever. And the 3/16 gaps on the decking itself, so it's permeable, water can get through, and that's up to code with the city. The fascia is composite decking as well. And the customer decided to do the cable bullet railing system. It's a great system. These are all adjusted in tension to 120 pounds per square inch. We stained and installed the top railing. You can get either metal or wood. The customer wanted wood. So we did a screwless railing system with just stainless steel carriage bolts for the top. And we're just finishing that up today. Also, the customer decided to put some gates in. So we just put those in as well. And for the AC unit, to kind of clean it up a little bit, we created a louvered panel system just to hide it away so they can get in there when they want. We custom make these to basically any dimension. They can go as big or small as you want. So we basically build it out like this. Each one is put into a box frame, and we're going to trim out the posts and put caps on so it has a nice finished look. This one's going to be on a hinge, so they can get access to it if they need to work on the AC or anything like that. The outside of the deck has a trim. It has trim board on it, like a picture frame. Just gives it a nice little better finished look to it. It actually wraps around to the other neighbor's house. In this corner of the property, when we got down here, there was a big concrete slab that was going across the whole span right here. So we had to jackhammer all the concrete out in this whole area. We laid down irrigation lines for the gutters, and we scribed those right into the deck boards, so zero maintenance, nothing can get through. That runs off into the pond. And we put a ledger board against the house, lock that in below the deck, so there's no actual posts on this wall right here. It's a ledger board touching the concrete, and we put that in with concrete Tapcon screws. And we did that as well over here because that was the same issue. There was a big slab that we had to connect to. Yeah, and the irrigation runs through here. We're going to be putting lighting. They wanted lighting for the back of the house right here, so we're going to be putting LED light strips that are on a transformer to be adjusted from inside the house and on the phone. That's going to go under here when we're done. So at night, he'll be able to turn his lighting on through his phone, and it'll give a good little ambiance going out to the backyard. If you guys need anything done, we're more than happy to help you. Basically anything you can think of, we can build it. And just contact Rockaway, and we'd be more than happy to work with you.